Since when you decided that you want to do IT Mat, was this your always the first choice?
Yes, ma'am. I believe so. It was my first choice because
How did you then manage boards भी थे and IT Mat preparation भी थी, तो कैसे manage किया था आपने?
I personally believe commerce is an easy subject for me. So
How was your PI experience? Let's just shed some light on that.
it was a big hassle.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of IP Mat by LPT. Today we have with us a very old student, Rakshit Jaiswal, who has gotten into various colleges, various IIMs, और इस वीडियो में हम डिटेल में रक्षित से बात करने वाले हैं हर एक डाउट जो एक IP Mat एस्पिरेंट को रहता है वो, and also what was Rakshit's journey. So hi Rakshit, first of all, heartiest congratulations to you. You have gotten into IIM at Rohtak. So how are you feeling?
Thank you, ma'am. And I feel very amazing. It's like dream come true for me because I prepared very much for it. So yeah.
So you appeared for all the exams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and like just tell all the students the calls, the selections, and what.
I got interview call for from every IIM, but I got final selection from IIM Amritsar, IIM Bodh Gaya, and IIM Lucknow.
Okay, and out of this, you finally went with
IIM Rohtak.
Rohtak. So I believe many of our students are going to Rohtak. तो एक small LPT batch हमारा वहाँ होने वाला है, right? So how excited are you? I think by August end you'll be joining. So what's the first thing that you'll be doing there?
First of all, many students, many friends of mine have been selected from LPT in IIM Rohtak. So yeah, I'll enjoy with them in the campus, and I believe it is very strict, but I believe strictness is a great thing for us students there, and yeah, I'm going
With
to.
strictness comes discipline.
Yes.
There, so that will help you in the long run ahead.
Yes.
Right. So Rakshit, tell us since when you decided that you want to do IT Mat, was this your always the first choice?
Yes, ma'am. I believe so. It was my first choice because my brother also is in IIM Ranchi. So yeah, he inspired me the most to pursue for this course.
So he also did IP Mat and then went to Ranchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so it's like a tough competition between you two guys.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have gotten into IIM. That's such a great, your parents must be so proud and so overwhelmed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which stream you had in your 11th and 12th?
I had commerce with applied maths as my stream.
Okay. And so you started preparing from 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you were a foundation student. So what was your strategy? Like since those who are in 11th, they have an upper hand because, it's 11th after all, you're not that much focused. And looking at you, I have this question. Were you like, he's all excited. So were you also, how was your planning when it came to 12th? Like you have to juggle between boards and also your IP Mat prep. Now that you have already studied in 11th,
Yes.
was it much of a hassle for you or was it very sorted?
Okay, so first of all, when we came in 11th, I was very much chill. I thought it was an easy exam, but it was not. Apparently, it was very much tough. And yeah, so in 11th we were chill. We studied. We did our course like time to time, but yeah, we were not very much serious for it. When 12th came and when the when the exam dates came, we were very much serious. We became very serious for it, and yeah, we started studying in 12th much more seriously in 12th.
Okay. So it's like the other way around.
Yes.
The students who I have interacted with, they have said that they've already covered their basics and foundation 11, but you got in serious only when the exam date came up. So that's like the honest thing someone has said. Nevertheless, it worked out for you.
Yes.
This does not mean that it will work out for everyone.
Yes.
It means he must have, put in 200 plus effort for that.
Yes.
So since you just mentioned you started preparing while you were in 12th,
Yes.
so how did you then manage? Boards भी थे and IP Mat preparation भी थी, तो कैसे manage किया था आपने?
So first thing first, I personally believe commerce is an easy subject for me. So that didn't put much pressure on me, and that's why I continued with my IIM preparation. And बीच का
Manage हो गया, कभी
हो
इधर
गया।
कभी उधर. Okay. And one thing that since you had maths, तो आपके लिए क्या ज़्यादा tough था? Maths तो नहीं रहा होगा, but VARC रहा होगा is what I'm assuming. So what was your strategy for VARC?
VARC was a very tough challenge for me. बहुत छोटे से ओवरकम करा मैंने उसको. So I bought myself Word Power Made Easy. Although I didn't read it, there were YouTube videos for word power made easy or LPT, etc. So I watched those. I make a list of the words I studied, and for idioms and phrases, very much material was provided by LPT. So yeah, those modules really helped me. And
So apart from classes, you're active on YouTube as well, completely watching the series that we have on LPT, and you then finally cracked the VRC section. All right. And how was your PI experience? Let's shed some light on that too.
oh, it was very much traumatic for me. It
Okay.
was jokes aside, it was first Rohtak. First was Rohtak interview, so it was a cakewalk. It was easy interview, and when I went for second was Indore interview, so it was a big hassle because they were mostly academic based, and they were not like 11th 12th academic. They went beyond it, and they delved much deeper into it, so it was a tough thing for
There were questions that actually you got stand. अच्छा इसका क्या जवाब दो आप?
yes yes
Okay.
we prepare for introduction. अपन इंट्रोडक्शन की तैयारी करते हैं, है ना, जीके की तैयारी करते हैं. बट इंदौर का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट था. उन्होंने स्टार्ट ही एकेडमिक से स्टार्ट किया था, तो हाँ वो बहुत टफ हो गया था. उन्होंने मतलब मैथ्स को इतना डिगअप करा, उसको बहुत अच्छा डीप से क्वेश्चन पूछे. और इकोनॉमिक्स तब भी इजी थी बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक्स 11th 12th का था, उसको तब भी आप सोच के कर सकते हो. पर अगर मैथ्स आप जितना आता है उतना ही बोल पाते हो. हाँ, तो इंदौर का तब भी टफ था, बट इट वाज गुड. आई वाज लाइक हाँ हो सकता था, बट सीट्स की वजह से. हाँ. और फिर अपना शिलोंग का इंटरव्यू नहीं, फिर रांची का इंटरव्यू था. रांची का इंटरव्यू वाज डिजास्टर्स फॉर मी बिकॉज उन्होंने प्योर जीके पूछा, लाइक जीके बियॉन्ड माय स्कोप. सो हाँ, इट वाज माय फॉल्ट and not my even not my luck. It was purely my fault because I wasn't aware about that much GK.
Like there were GK sections, but I think you weren't taking them very seriously because एक perception रहता है इंटरव्यू में क्या ही GK कहा जाएगा.
एक्चुअली इट तो वैसी जीके जो उन्होंने पूछी, जो हमने सेशंस में करी थी, वो बहुत अच्छी लेवल की थी. वो उस बाकी इंटरव्यू में सिर्फ वही पूछा, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से कवर हो गया. बट उन्होंने थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा लेवल का पूछा, जो मैं थोड़ा बहुत एलपीटी के हेल्प से कवर कर पाया, बट इट वाज नॉट इनफ आई गेस बिकॉज या आई डिडंट गेट सिलेक्टेड इन IIM रांची. सो हाँ, IIM शिलोंग का इंटरव्यू was fabulous. It was very very good, and but luck, seats.
But eventually you are going into ANSWER,
Yes.
and huge congratulations. Even
Thank
sitting at interviews at these ANSWER is one great accomplishment. So Rakshit, for those of them who are preparing for ITMI 2026, what advice would you give them?
Take VRC very much seriously, and
Even if it's your strength?
yes,
Okay.
because I have seen people 1-2 मार्क्स से रह गए. और हाँ, सबके बैकअप ऑप्शंस होने चाहिए. मैंने देखा है कि जो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स में स्कोर करते हैं, कभी कभी पेपर में कुछ रह जाता है. 1 मार्क से मेरा दोस्त रह गया जिप मैट में. सो हाँ, वो हर्ट होता है. तो सब चीज़ को लाइटली नहीं लेना, सब सीरियस है. और अब कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ चुका है, और हाँ वो चीज़ में मैं 11th में अगर हो सका तो आज मैं शायद इंदौर के लिए होता सिलेक्ट. बट इट्स ओके, आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी वेयर आई एम. हाँ.
Okay. So this was Rakshit. If you have any doubts, any questions that you want to ask him, do drop them down in the comment box below. Thank you, Rakshit.
थैंक यू मैम.